Hey beauties, we're headed out to run to Home Depot. I always want to say Hobby Lobby, but we're going to Home Depot to pick out some cabinet paint. Also, I got Ellie a little play kitchen and I just did a plain white one and she wanted it pink, so I'm like, we can pick out pink paint. And I also picked up some little wallpaper for her backsplash. She picked this one out on Amazon, so I'm gonna take it with us so we can pick your paint color to match. Also, I forgot I have these little free treats from Chick-fil-A, so I'm gonna take these. And I still need to put this trash can in Josh's truck. Oh, we probably should pick up some little trash bags too. Here babe, I got you a trash can for your truck.
Mommy, can I ride? Mommy, can I ride with Daddy?
Yeah, we're all going with Daddy.
Yay!
We're gonna pick paint color today. By the way, how cute is my little Texas Rangers hat? My best friend got this for me when she came over for our little barbecue. I'm obsessed. So this is the OOTD. Amazon shorts, Amazon bodysuit.
And Mommy got a new purse.
My bag, this is my favorite bag right now.
And look at my toys. Mommy got them from Amazon.
I love your shorts.
And Mommy got the dirt from Amazon too.
Yeah, just did these brown shoes to match with the hat.
I can't.
That's our OOTD. We just got back from running our errands. Josh has already started putting the kitchen together, but I wanted to show you the paint samples that we got. So I ended up... Hi, baby. So we ended up going with this color peppermint stick for Ellie's kitchen. I think it'll match her wallpaper pretty well. And then for the cabinets, I really liked this color Beach House. It's kind of got like a yellowish warm undertone. And then we also grabbed this one, Bit of Sugar. It's a little bit more white. I'm excited to get those samples on. Hey guys, are y'all putting the kitchen together? Me and Josh were talking about doing Ellie's room because we really haven't decorated her room at all and kind of want to do it up. So we're gonna brainstorm tonight and look at Pinterest. I'm excited to get her kitchen done. I'm debating if I should exchange her wallpaper though.
Everyone, look at my wallpaper.
Come, let me see it.
Look at my wallpaper, everyone.
Ooh, Ellie picked out the wallpaper. You like it?
Yeah, and everyone, Mommy's gonna paint my kitchen pink. How about a fancy, nasty one?
Ooh, like a fancy Nancy kitchen.
Yeah!
Yeah, it's gonna be so cute. And I got gold spray paint to spray all the handles gold. Gonna be cute.
Yeah!
I like your tutu.
Hey everyone, do you know where I got this? Rocks!
Yeah, we did.
Oh, you did?
Oh, I look like an old grandma.
You're so silly. Let's go show them what mommy's doing right now. While Josh is setting up the kitchen, I'm gonna bring this into the garage and spray paint it. How cute is that? My mom actually had this made for me when I was a little girl. And I used to lay out my clothes the night before for school. So I would do like hang my shirt here, hang my shorts here, and then keep my shoes right here. So I've always been planning outfits my whole life, which is probably why fashion hauls just come so naturally. I spray painted it neon pink somewhere along the way. Like, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 years ago. And I did kind of do a little sand spot to see if I could get the neon off, but I'm just gonna do a quick dust over with the sanding paper. I'll probably just store all her handbags and purses and backpacks for now until she starts school, and then she can just start planning her outfits the night before. So yeah, I'm gonna work on spray painting this gold. I think it's gonna be so cute. I did a thing this morning and cut some bangs. I've been playing with them for a little while now. I kind of thought about going maybe a little shorter, that way I could wear them on my forehead, but I also kind of like the idea of being able to sweep them to the side. Let me know what you think in the comments below, but it was a nice change. I actually had to cut Ellie's hair last night because it was all the way down her back, and since it's curly, it was getting knotted and matted. Poor baby. So I cut it like met around here and now it looks so cute. The boys also ended up getting haircuts yesterday, so I wanted to join the fun. Didn't want to feel left out, and I did it. I'm so glad that I did, because y'all know that I like to change my hair a lot, and I was kind of getting bored, but I've swore off bleach for a while because I still have bleach damage I'm trying to get rid of, and I want my hair to be long again. I think this was the change that I needed. I'm also still loving this hair color too. Yay! A new character unlocked for summer. We like her. Anyways, I was actually just about to go outside and prep Ellie's kitchen for paint and wallpaper, but I did get that little purse holder, like mannequin thing. I don't know what to call it. Is it like a mannequin, I guess? Anyways, it doesn't matter what it's called. It's super cute, and I got it set up in her room, so let me show you. Oh my gosh, it looks so much better in the gold color, and I like that I was able to clip her bows out there and claw clips too.
Hello.
Hey, baby girl.
Hello, everyone.
You like your purse stand?
Ta-da.
It looks good in the gold, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I was trying to brainstorm a way that we could fill in this stand right here and cover it with marble contact paper, because I think a marble stand would just set this thing off.
Hello, Mommy.
I'm gonna have to brainstorm, but yeah, let's go outside now. You ready to start on your kitchen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna take off all the handles and tape off the knobs and stuff so that I can paint them all gold.
Handles. I wanna just open the fridge.
I know, but we're gonna paint them, remember? I was gonna do them gold. Couple hours later, and that's what we're looking like. It's looking so good. I'm loving this color. I still need to do the wallpaper backsplash, and I also ended up getting some marble contact paper for the countertops. I just need to spray paint the rest of the handles gold and we'll be done. Hopefully I can finish this maybe tomorrow in the morning. I love it so much already, and the kids helped. It was so cute. It's Father's Day. I'm making me and Josh a little drink, which I did a little bit less than half of one of the little tiny watermelons, and I'm gonna do a whole big lime, and then I'll probably do the spicy tamarind tequila. We just got these new knives from Walmart and they're so good. We've been needing a new set of knives for a while. I'm gonna take this Gran Malo spicy tamarindo tequila, and I'll probably just do 4 shots. 2 for me, 2 for Josh. I just finished off the rest of the bottle. I'm gonna need to get more of this. It's really good. And then I'm gonna blend it. Brayden wants to say hi. You having fun in the bounce house? Yeah?
I got out because what happened on my hand.
Oh, what happened?
See, my pinky and my
Yeah?
the one by it
Yeah?
has a scratch and my pinky burns.
Oh, you poor thing.
And I got a new toy. His name is Snowflake. He's a Bakugan.
Cool. You got that yesterday at Walmart, didn't you?
Yeah. Look at his legs. You see his little arms right there?
Yeah.
Cute.
Cute.
And watch what he can do. He can turn into a ball.
Wow. So cool. Hey. Now I'm just lining in this tahini sauce. Look how cute those came out. Let's take one to Josh and see what he thinks. I've already had a drink of mine. Let's see. Here, let me know what you think. Look how cute it is. That's good, right? It's watermelon, lime, and that spicy tamarindo tequila. Look how cute the lime looks on top. Cheers. I got Ellie's kitchen painted and moved into her room. Look how cute it looks. I'm actually gonna start working on the contact paper now, and I did end up switching out the wallpaper just because I felt like the other one was a little too bright and bold, and I didn't want to clash with anything she already has in her room, which is not much, but I do want to get it decorated all up because right now it's kind of just a catch-all and I feel so bad. I'm thinking about doing one of those like hanging mesh tents over there and do like a reading nook because it's kind of like an awkward space. And then on this wall here, we're thinking about doing some sort of like statement wall or something. So I'm kind of nervous about this contact paper situation. I think I might start with like the easiest part back here. You ready?
Yeah.
Open. What do you think? You love it?
What's this black thing?
That is marble. You got a marble countertop and a flower backsplash. Do you love it?
Mommy.
We need to fill up your fridge.
Yeah, can you order them popsicle toys?
Popsicle toys? Ooh, that would be fun.
Yeah!
What do you think? Do you like it?
Even the plates, even the bills, even
Yeah.
some hamburgers.
Yeah, maybe you'll get that for your birthday.
No, I want to get it for Christmas.
Your birthday's next week. Christmas is 6 months away.
Oh.
It looks so good. You love it?
Yeah.
I love it too. It's so cute. You're gonna have fun here, huh?
Yeah.
Some swatches on our cabinets today. I'm trying to decide between these two whites. This one is Bit of Sugar, and it's a little bit more of like a plain white. And then this one over here is more of like a creamy white. It is called Beach House, which now that I'm looking at these in the actual kitchen, I'm kind of leaning towards the more creamy one. I think with like our door and our floors and even the countertops, the cream will tie in a little bit more, because if we go with this like bright white, I think our walls and our trim and everything will also have to be painted too. But if we sort of play off of that and do with the cream, it's gonna look so good without having to do anything extra. So we're gonna run to Home Depot and get a couple gallons of this. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to follow Casa Nunnery on TikTok, because that's where I do a lot of our actual home renovation videos. I did share a video of us switching out the backsplash over there, as well as an in-depth look at Ellie's little play kitchen, so go check it out. But until then, I'll see you guys next time, and we will be back painting the cabinets, which I'm so excited about.